How to cleanse intestine naturally at home with these asanas. Detox, digestive system, home remedies. Narrator, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to naturally cleanse your intestine at home using specific asanas and home remedies. So let's get started. Scene 1, Introduction. Narrator, before we dive into the asanas, let's quickly understand why it's essential to cleanse our intestines and detoxify our digestive system. Over time, toxins and waste can build up in our intestines, leading to various health issues such as constipation, bloating, and even skin problems. By performing these asanas and using simple home remedies, you can help flush out these toxins and promote a healthy digestive system. Scene 2, Asana 1, Pawanmuktasana. Narrator, our first asana is Pawanmuktasana, also known as the wind-relieving pose. This asana helps in releasing gas and bloating, which can naturally cleanse your intestines. To perform this asana, lie flat on your back and slowly bring your knees towards your chest, hugging them with your arms. Hold this position for around 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Scene 3, Asana 2, Trikonasana. Narrator, next up we have Trikonasana, also known as the triangle pose. This asana aids in improving digestion and stimulating Asana 3, Dhanurasana. Narrator, moving on to Dhanurasana, the bow pose. This powerful asana helps in stimulating the digestive system and relieving constipation. Lie on your stomach, bend your knees, and grasp your ankles with your hands. Lift your chest and thighs off the ground, creating a bow-like shape with your body. Hold this pose for 10-15 seconds while taking deep breaths. Scene 5, Home Remedies. Narrator, apart from these asanas, there are some effective home remedies you can incorporate into your routine to naturally cleanse your intestines. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can help stimulate bowel movements and flush out toxins. Additionally, adding fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet can promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Best foods for detoxing the digestive system. And we will be discussing the best foods for detoxing the digestive system. A healthy digestive system is key to overall well-being, and by incorporating these foods into your diet, you can naturally support its detoxification process. So let's dive right in. Scene 1, Introduction. Narrator, before we explore the specific foods, let's quickly understand why it's important to detoxify our digestive system. Over time, our digestive tract can accumulate toxins, waste, and unhealthy bacteria that can lead to various health issues, such as bloating, constipation, and fatigue. Eating the right foods can help cleanse and nourish our digestive system, promoting optimal function. Scene 2, Food 1, Fiber-Rich Fruits. Narrator, our first food group is fiber-rich fruits. Fruits like apples, berries, and pears are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Fiber also helps to sweep away toxins and waste from the intestines. So, make sure to include a variety of these fruits in your daily diet. Scene 3, Food 2, Leafy Green Vegetables. Narrator, next up we have leafy green vegetables. Foods like spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy digestive system. These greens also contain a good amount of fiber, helping to cleanse the intestines and improve overall digestion. Get creative with your salads and smoothies to incorporate more greens into your meals. Scene 4, Food 3, Fermented Foods. Narrator, moving on to fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. These probiotics help break down food, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce bloating. Including a small portion of fermented foods in your diet can do wonders for your digestive system. Scene 5, Food 4, Ginger and Turmeric. Narrator, another powerful duo for detoxing the digestive system is ginger and turmeric. These spices have anti-inflammatory properties and aid in digestion. Ginger helps soothe the stomach and relieve nausea, while turmeric has been shown to reduce inflammation in the gut. Add these spices to your teas, smoothies, or sprinkle them on your meals for an extra boost. Scene 6, Food 5, Probiotic-Rich Foods. Narrator, lastly, don't forget to include probiotic-rich foods in your diet. Foods such as kefir, kombucha, and miso are great sources of natural probiotics that promote a healthy gut. These beneficial bacteria work to balance the gut flora, supporting efficient digestion and proper nutrient absorption. Scene 7, Closing. Narrator, and there you have it. By incorporating these best foods for detoxing the digestive system into your diet, you can naturally cleanse and nourish your digestive tract, promoting optimal function and overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body and consult a professional if you have any specific dietary needs or restrictions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips. Here are a few recipes that incorporate fermented foods. 1. Fermented vegetable salad. Ingredients: assorted vegetables, cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, sauerkraut, fermented pickles, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper. Instructions: chop the vegetables into thin strips and place them in a bowl. Add a few tablespoons of sauerkraut and some fermented pickles. Drizzle with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Season with salt and pepper and toss everything together. Let the salad marinate in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. 2. Kefir smoothie. Ingredients: kefir, mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, honey, chia seeds. Instructions: in a blender, combine kefir, a handful of mixed berries, a drizzle of honey, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy as a refreshing and probiotic-rich smoothie. 3. Fermented salsa. Ingredients: tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, lime juice, fermented jalapenos, salt. Instructions: finely chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapeno peppers. In a bowl, mix the vegetables with a squeeze of lime juice, a few tablespoons of fermented jalapenos, and salt to taste. Allow the flavors to meld together for at least an hour before serving with tortilla chips or as a condiment for Mexican dishes. 4. Kombucha mocktail. Ingredients: kombucha, flavor of your choice, sparkling water, citrus slices, lemon, lime, or orange, fresh mint leaves. Instructions: fill a glass with ice cubes. Pour kombucha over the ice until the glass is about 2/3 full. Top the remaining space with sparkling water. Garnish with citrus slices and fresh mint leaves. Stir gently and enjoy a refreshing and bubbly kombucha mocktail. These are just a few examples, but feel free to experiment and get creative with fermented foods in your recipes. Enjoy the unique flavors and nutritional benefits they bring. Scene 6 closing. Narrator: and there you have it. By practicing these asanas regularly and incorporating the suggested home remedies, you can naturally cleanse your intestine while promoting a healthy digestive system. Remember to listen to your body and consult a professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.